Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Friendly Conversations. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you're here today.
In this podcast, we learn English in a very simple way.
Yes, we talk like friends. Slow, clear, and easy English.
Today's topic is morning routine.
Morning routines are great for learning English because we talk about them every day.
Exactly. Simple words. Real life.
Before we start, please like the podcast and subscribe to the channel.
It helps more English learners find us.
All right, let's begin.
Conversation. Phrase 1. I wake up. The first phrase today is I wake up.
I wake up means you stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
My example, I wake up early on weekdays.
Let's say it together. I wake up.
Great job. Say it again.
I wake up.
Nice and easy.
Listen. Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That is early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your answer.
What time do you wake up?
Maybe 6?
Maybe 8.
Both are okay.
Listen again. Ronald, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Phrase 2. I brush my teeth.
Our next phrase is I brush my teeth.
This means cleaning your teeth with the toothbrush.
Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
Another example. I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Repeat with us. I brush my teeth.
Good job.
Say it again.
I brush my teeth.
Nice and easy.
Listen. Stephanie, do you brush your teeth before breakfast or after breakfast?
Usually in the morning.
That's interesting. Discuss. Listeners, think about your routine.
Before breakfast?
Or after breakfast.
Listen again. Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning. Phrase 3. I take a shower.
Our next phrase is I take a shower.
It means you wash your body with water.
Example, I take a shower in the morning.
My example, I take a quick shower before work.
Repeat after us. I take a shower.
Listen. Stephanie, when do you take a shower?
Usually in the morning.
Morning showers feel refreshing.
Discuss. Listeners, what about you?
Morning shower or evening shower?
Listen again. I take a shower every morning.
Nice routine. Phrase 4. I eat breakfast.
Next phrase, I eat breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's simple and healthy.
Repeat after us. I eat breakfast.
Listen, Ronald, what do you eat for breakfast?
Sometimes eggs, sometimes fruit.
Nice.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your breakfast.
Maybe bread.
Maybe tea.
Maybe fruit. Listen again. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Great example. Phrase 5. I go to work.
Students can say, I go to school.
Example. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Example, I go to school at 8 a.m.
Let's repeat. I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
Listen. Stephanie, how do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Nice. Discuss. Listeners, how do you travel?
Bus?
Bike?
Walk.
Listen again. I go to work by train.
That's convenient.
Phrase 6. I drink coffee or tea. I drink coffee means you have coffee in the morning.
Example, I drink coffee every morning.
Another example, I drink tea with breakfast.
Let's repeat both I drink coffee and both I drink tea. Listen.
Stephanie, do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee.
Strong coffee?
Yes, strong coffee.
Discuss. Listeners, what about you?
Do you drink tea?
Or coffee?
Listen again. I drink coffee every morning.
Nice. Phrase 7. I check my phone.
Our next phrase is I check my phone.
Many people do this in the morning.
It means looking at messages or notifications.
Example. I check my phone after I wake up.
My example, I check my phone for messages.
Repeat after us. Both. I check my phone.
Listen, Stephanie, do you check your phone early in the morning?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your habit.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Listen again. I check my phone after breakfast.
That sounds healthy.
Phrase 8. I get ready.
Next phrase is I get ready.
I get ready means preparing for work or school.
Example, I get ready for work.
Another example, I get ready for school. Repeat with us. Both, I get ready.
Listen, Stephanie, how long do you take to get ready?
About 20 minutes.
That's fast.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your time.
10 minutes?
30 minutes?
Listen again. I get ready for work at 8 a.m.
Good routine. Phrase 9. I leave the house.
Next phrase is I leave the house.
It means you go outside to start your day.
Example, I leave the house at 8:30.
My example, I leave the house with my bag.
Repeat with us. Both, I leave the house.
Listen, Stephanie, when do you leave the house?
Around 8:15.
Good timing. Discuss.
Listeners, think about your schedule.
When do you leave your house?
Listen again. I leave the house at 8:15.
Great. Phrase 10. I start my day.
Next phrase is I start my day.
This means beginning your daily activities.
Example, I start my day with coffee.
My example, I start my day with exercise.
Repeat with us. Both, I start my day.
Listen, Stephanie, how do you start your day?
I start my day with music.
Nice. Discuss. Listeners, think about your morning.
Do you start your day with music?
Or tea.
Listen again. I start my day with a smile.
That's beautiful.
Small conversation practice.
Let's practice a small conversation.
Good idea. Hi, Ronald. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Nice. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Great.
Repeat conversation. Let's listen again.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Phrase 11. I go to the market.
Our first phrase today is I go to the market.
The market is a place where people buy food and other things.
Example, I go to the market on Sunday.
Another example. I go to the market with my family.
Let's repeat. Both, I go to the market.
Listen, Stephanie, do you go to the market often?
Yes, I go every weekend.
Nice.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your routine.
Do you go to the market?
Listen again. I go to the market on Sunday.
Good example. Phrase 12. I buy groceries.
Next phrase is I buy groceries.
Groceries are food items like rice, vegetables, fruit, and milk.
Example, I buy groceries every week.
Another example. I buy vegetables and fruit.
Repeat with us. Both, I buy groceries.
Listen, Stephanie, what groceries do you buy?
I buy fruit, milk, and bread.
That sounds healthy.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your groceries.
Do you buy fruit?
Do you buy vegetables?
Listen again.
I buy groceries every Saturday.
Nice routine. Phrase 13. I cook food.
Next phrase is I cook food.
Cooking means preparing food.
Example, I cook dinner in the evening.
Another example. I cook rice and vegetables.
Repeat with us. Both, I cook food.
Listen. Stephanie, do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
Me too.
Discuss. Listeners, what do you cook?
Rice?
Noodles?
Vegetables?
Listen again. I cook dinner every evening.
Good habit. Phrase 14. I eat lunch.
Next phrase is I eat lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Example, I eat lunch at noon.
Another example. I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Repeat after us. Both, I eat lunch.
Listen, Stephanie, what do you eat for lunch?
Usually rice and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
Discuss. Listeners, think about your lunch.
What do you eat for lunch?
What do you eat for lunch? Listen again. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Nice. Phrase 15. I relax.
Next phrase is I relax.
Relax means resting and feeling calm.
Example: I relax after work.
Another example. I relax by listening to music.
Repeat with us. Both. I relax.
Listen. Stephanie, how do you relax?
I relax by watching movies.
Nice.
Discuss. Listeners, how do you relax?
Music?
Movies?
Reading?
Listen again. I relax in the evening.
That sounds peaceful.
Conversation practice.
Let's practice a conversation again.
Good idea. Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go on Sunday.
What do you buy?
I buy groceries like fruit and milk.
Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook dinner in the evening.
Nice.
Listen again.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go on Sunday.
What do you buy?
I buy fruit and vegetables. Wrap up. Great job today.
You learned many useful morning phrases.
Great job today.
You learned many useful morning phrases.
Let's review them.
Let's review them.
We learned, I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work or school.
These are very common daily English sentences.
These are very common daily English sentences.
Practice them every day.
Practice them every day.
You are improving already.
You are improving already.
Yes, keep going.
Yes, keep going. Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Before we finish, we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up in the morning?
We love reading your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe for more friendly English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing English every day.